So by now, many of us unfortunately know about the sad events that happened in Newtown, Connecticut on Friday morning. 26 innocent lives were taken, and now a community is struggling to recollect itself. Fortunately, there have been a couple of funds that have been set up to help these struggling families. The first is the United Way of Western Connecticut. This is set up through a bank in Connecticut and is set up to directly fund Sandy Hook Elementary. There's a link down in the description where you can put in your credit card number and the funds will go straight to that school. The second is the Newtown Youth and Family Services. The Newtown Youth and Family Services is something that existed before this tragedy even happened, and they provide counseling for families, and now in this time of need they will be providing grief counseling. And they have a website as well, and you can actually use PayPal to donate to them directly as well. Both of these causes will greatly help this community rebuild itself after this great tragedy. And I hope that you all will take a minute and just donate a couple of dollars, whatever you can spare, because these families truly need it. So I hope that you will take the time to donate today. This video, in case you didn't know, is part of the Project for Awesome, which is led by Vlogbrothers Hank and John Green every year. And basically it's just to help spread a little bit more awesome in a world that unfortunately has a lot of suck. To find out more about the Project for Awesome, you can find a link in the description. And to find out more ways that you can help the citizens of Newtown, you can follow the link to the CNN article also in the description. Thanks for watching.